This is your Swing Alpha Trade Report for October 22nd, 2017. Again, a new all-time high in large cap SPY. However, the market is quite overextended. We are expecting to see a pullback or rollover, possibly another bull flag. So we are currently about 72% long, so we are still taking advantage of this bullish action. However, we are saving up cash. So once the market does pull back, we have cash to purchase stocks for the next bull run. We have similar action in small caps, IWM. It had run up and right now it had flagged. We have a possible breakout from this bull flag. However, it's just too overextended to enter any new longs safely. And then financials, XLF. We have a recent all-time high here, bull flag once again. However, it is quite overextended, so we would hesitate from entering any new longs or having a heavily long position at this time. Now, the reason why the market's been quite so bullish, at least according to our beliefs, is the fundamentals. If you look at the Trump tax plan that will possibly be passed soon, anyone who's making less than $25,000 will not need to pay federal tax. Any married couple jointly will not need to pay federal tax if you make less than $50,000 again. So that means the middle class will have significantly more cash to purchase consumer goods from companies. So companies will have increased sales, increased profits, and that will be very bullish for their stock price. Additionally, there is a plan to reduce corporate tax from the current 35% to possibly as low as 15%, although experts believe it'll be more likely 20% after compromises within the legislation. So we could expect approximately 15% reduction in corporate tax. So when a company is paying 15% less in tax, they were effectively making 15% more in profit. So by a stroke of a pen, most companies will be making 15% more profit. So you can imagine what that's going to do to their stock price, what that's going to do to the stock market. It's extremely bullish. So going back to our trades, we have STLD. So STLD members had purchased it on the 6th of June, which we believe is this red candle right here. To go long, an expectation will continue. It had been bullish. We had this bull flag right here. Unfortunately, the bull flag did not work out. It sold back off again. And so members, Alpha Level members, were alerted to just exit the trade at within the morning on Friday. So that would have resulted in a 12% profit. But we are bailing out early just because the stock wasn't going anywhere, and we're just going to save this cash for another stock that's performing much better. Now for trades that we had entered in last week, the first is VRAY. So Alpha Level members were alerted to purchase VRAY at the close on Wednesday, the 18th. On expectation it will continue up. We had seen a price increase followed by bull flag, increase, bull flag, increase, bull flag, and then it's increasing again. So we have a high probability that it could continue up from here, possibly even double in price in the next 2 or 3 months. If it does not work out, about 50% chance it doesn't work out, we'll take a small loss. But this is definitely a high gain, low risk trade. The other trade we took was NVCR. So NVCR we had traded before about a month or 2 months ago. Didn't work out. It had a false breakout and sold off. So we're going to try it again. So about a week ago, we had this very strong red down candle. You can see the very large volume right here. And it hit all the stops that were right here. We believe there were quite a lot of stops under these 3 wick candles right here. And this took them all out. But we did see the very next day that the price went right back up. All that was bought right back up. So it's possibly this was a false breakdown to trick a lot of shorts to get in, stop out a lot of stops. And this often happens just before the next bull run. When all the stops are knocked out, quite often the price just continues back up. We are above support right now, and it seems to be holding. So members were alerted, Alpha Level members were alerted to purchase NVCR go long at the close of Friday. Now, there is a possible hiccup. In about a week, it releases earnings. And so, if we do not see good positive price action, we'll probably release an alert to just exit early the day before. However, right now, it's definitely looking good to go long. So, that concludes our trade report for October 22nd, 2017.